Make this.
Last time my daughter drew an amazing picture of a blue dumpling, and I was very happy to bring it to life for her. Today, however, it's going to be a different game. I'm going to change up the color, I'm going to change up the inside, and I'm going to see if she could guess the ingredients on today's mystery episode. While making blue colored dumplings, I thought to myself, wouldn't it be fun if I made different colored dumplings with different flavors? So that's what I did. When I made that blue colored dumpling the last time, what did you think was inside and what did you want a blue dumpling to taste like?
It tasted normal.
What tasted normal?
The dumpling, that's one of the dumpling that I liked. That's the one that I usually try.
Oh, so the normal dumpling that usually has like pork inside of there, so that's the normal one.
Yeah, it tastes very good.
Where did you try that at?
My first time trying it is when I was at a restaurant.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. So wait. You tried dumplings without me?
No, I tried it with you.
Oh, yeah, that's right. It's that time that we went to Panama and we went to this restaurant called Lung Fung. They had a whole different assortment of these dumplings. It was very good. It's one of my aunt's favorite places to go for a Chinese breakfast. It's delicious. All right, let me ask you a question. What is the weirdest thing that you could put inside a dumpling that you would eat?
Vanilla ice cream with full cream.
That is an interesting choice. You know what that sounds like, right?
What does it sound like?
That reminds me of a mochi.
I love mochis.
What's your favorite kind of mochi?
Every single mochi because they're all good. I like the ones that are in the freezer. I don't like the ones that are not cooked.
Oh yeah, the ones that are in the refrigerator versus the one in the freezer. Because the one in the refrigerator, it has I think it's like a bean filling. And then the one in the freezer is ice cream. So that's the one you're talking about. You want the one that has ice cream inside of there. Okay, cool. Anyway, let's see how she did. First, I want you to try the black one.
Okay.
It's hot.
Looks like pepperoni and some white stuff.
It's cheese.
Cheese. Good.
That one wasn't blue, but let's see what color this one is.
Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, this is rare! This is rare! Oh my god!
Let me see.
This is rare!
Shiny?
Yes, that's rare.
What's with these things?
That's rare. Oh my god.
How do you know it's rare?
It is because it's glitter.
So glitter means it's rare?
Yes.
This is crazy.
We got some rare ones.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, that's my third dumpling I have ever had in my life.
Here.